you tired of trying out different diets without seeing results? With so many diets out there, it can be hard to know which one is right for you. Today, we are going to compare two popular diets, the keto diet and the Mediterranean diet, and help you figure out which one may be a better fit for you. The keto diet is a high-fat, low-carb diet that aims to put your body in a state of ketosis. This means that your body will burn fat instead of carbohydrates for energy. The Mediterranean diet, on the other hand, is a balanced and healthy diet that includes foods commonly eaten in countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, such as Greece and Italy. The keto diet is known for being very strict, with a maximum of 20-50 grams of carbohydrates allowed per day. This means you'll need to cut out many foods such as bread, pasta, and most fruits. Instead, you'll need to increase your intake of healthy fats such as nuts, avocados, and olive oil. The Mediterranean diet, on the other hand, is less restrictive and focuses on whole, unprocessed foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, and lean protein. It also includes healthy fats such as olive oil and nuts, as well as moderate amounts of dairy and red wine. Both diets can lead to weight loss, but they have different effects on the body. The keto diet can lead to rapid weight loss in the short term, but it can also cause fatigue, bad breath, and digestive issues. It can also be difficult to maintain in the long term. The Mediterranean diet, on the other hand, has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease and other chronic illnesses. When deciding which diet to follow, it's important to consider your personal preferences, lifestyle, and health goals. If you enjoy a wide variety of foods and don't want to feel restricted, the Mediterranean diet may be a better fit for you. If you're looking for quick weight loss and are willing to follow a strict eating plan, the keto diet may be a better option. So there you have it, the differences between the keto diet and the Mediterranean diet. Both diets have their pros and cons, and ultimately, it's up to you to decide which one is right for you. Remember, the most important thing is to focus on eating healthy, whole foods and staying active.